In case you missed it, Mr. Snowflake just recently put out a video about Foodie. Now in this video, he had some questions about her world-famous melted cheese. As the official food historian and mythbuster for Girl World, I'd like to offer up my services. So in this video, I'll answer your questions, both in text and visual demonstration. Buckle up, you're not going to believe this one.
Now, I knew she liked cheese already. I didn't know she liked cheese this much.
It's very hard. It's like pretty much like a restless night of just thinking, do I get up and go eat? Do I get up and go and microwave a plate of cheese or no? Do I get up and go microwave a plate of cheese or no?
Does she often just microwave cheese? Like, I've heard of microwaving cheese, like, with nachos or anything. Is that a Canadian thing? Where you just melt cheese in the microwave? Is that a thing?
A few moments later.
Oh, that's not the cheese somebody just showed me Foodie Beauty nudes.
Now, I hate to be critical, but you did make a few definite mistakes. First off, you want to start with your cheapest shredded cheese. Foodie isn't really well known for buying expensive ingredients. Pour it out onto your plate and microwave it at 30-second intervals. I'm just doing a couple of spoonfuls, so it just took 30 seconds. And that's it. Foodie eats it just like this, right off the fork. This dish is particularly well known in the Chantalverse because it's what she eats when she's down and out, when she really couldn't care less about what she's putting in her mouth. This is also a dish that she prepared when she heard about Jen's passing, and she ate it rather disgustingly in her honor. Shout out to all of our great archiving channels. I'm sure somebody like Just Saying has that exact video. In the meantime, if you have any other questions about the food of Girl World, let me know. It's kind of my thing. On my channel, you'll find a playlist of recipe recreations, and there's quite a bit of unfiltered stuff there too. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Have you ever tried one of Foodie's recipes? I'd love to hear from you.